I've said this before, but my biggest aha moment came at the beginning with talking about gratitude and the realization that just by being grateful can lift my mood and help me feel joyful and experience life in a much better way. And in doing so, I'm able to be more present, be more mindful of how I am around people, and kind of work with the other values in the GRACE program. It's been an amazing journey these last 8 weeks. I've actually been inspired to leave my full-time job. And I definitely attribute it to accountability and respect and courage. And I was able to leave my job in a very positive, beautiful way, and had a wonderful last day with my team. I'm now finally doing what I have always wanted to do, and that is, being self-employed and having the flexibility and time freedom to create what I want to create. So I'm really grateful for that and excited. My new career path is teaching kids meditation and mindfulness, and I have a lot of tools to offer, but I also have a 10-year-old stepson, and it kind of dawned on me that I could be a lot more present and available to him and helping him along his journey in this pivotal time in his life. Not only because he's 10, but he's going through this crazy experience we're all going through right now. Mm-hmm. So thank you, everyone, for giving me this extra aha moment that I needed. Thank you.